Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tabs in WordPress without a plugin. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Now go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search box, type tabs WP Shop Mart and press Enter. When the plugin appears in the results, click on Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. After that, click on the Activate button. Once activated, the tabs responsive WordPress plugin will be added to your dashboard and ready to use. Now go to the left menu in your WordPress dashboard and click on Tabs Responsive, then select Add New Tabs. This will open the tab creation area where you can start building your content structure. Here you will see the Tabs Responsive Builder, which is the main editing area for creating tabs. From here, you can add multiple tabs, rename them, and organize your content in a clean layout. Next, start by creating your first tab. Enter a tab title such as Home, About, or Services depending on your content. Then add the content you want inside that tab using the editor area. You can include text, images, links, or any other basic content. After that, add more tabs by clicking the option to create a new tab section. Repeat the same process for each tab by adding a title and content. This allows you to organize different information into separate sections. Now look at the right side settings panel. Here you can adjust the design of your tabs, including layout style, colors, spacing, and how the tabs will appear on desktop and mobile devices. You can also control individual tab settings to customize each tab separately, such as showing or hiding specific tabs or adjusting their order. Once everything is set, click on Save to store your changes. Finally, open the page or post where you added the tabs and preview it. Your tabs will now appear on the front end, allowing users to click and switch between different sections smoothly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.